is I have about 4 teeth left in my lower jaw. Now I'm down to the point where I cannot chew food anymore, and so I have to do something about it. I kind of came up with the idea that I did not want a denture in my mouth because dentures are the lowest line of restoration. I wanted something more permanent. This has been something on my mind for about the last 15 years. I've been working on this in my head, trying to figure out, really what do I really want to do and what can I afford to get done. I would love to be able to chew food again. I haven't had a steak in 5 years because I can't chew it. Today's appointment is not going to be the last. We're going to just put implants in, remove the teeth. He will put a temporary denture that he will screw down onto those implants just so I have something in my mouth.
I've been doing implant dentures for 8 years now. They are very unlike the old school dentures maybe your grandparents had. These new dentures are anchored with implants and they can be made out of porcelain. They're really strong, they look good, they don't fall out, and they can be screwed in permanently. The temporary denture is going to be screwed in for about 6 months while the gums and the bones heal. Once the initial healing period is done, we take new impressions and we make the permanent implant denture out of porcelain.
This is going to just revitalize me. It's going to bring back my business. It's going to bring back my looks. This is going to make me very, very happy to be able to get my teeth back.
At the end of today's appointment, all of a sudden, our patient is going to have teeth, and he hasn't had teeth for 5 years. People aren't going to know those aren't his real teeth. They look like the real thing.
Dr. Lampee went and trained himself, and this makes him a complete dentist. He can do the surgeries, he can do everything that you need to have done in your mouth in his office. You can go see Dr. Lampee, he takes care of everything.
Total treatment time varies between about 4 and 9 months depending on patient's age, their health, healing ability, and just how everything feels. A lot of the dental work can be done in one day, but really it takes many appointments over many months to do this properly. So it's not just one and done.
Working with a single dentist to working with a franchise is a world of difference. An individual dentist will spend a lot of time with you, whereas big franchises, they skip a lot of procedures and the product does not turn out near as good.
So after healing, we have the patient back. We remove the temporary teeth that we put in and we take new impressions now that the gums and the bones have healed.
Oh, look at that. Huh?
Great.
Did you look at that?
Yeah, you got teeth in there now.
Darn right, look at that.
Your upper, your lower, they're beautiful.
Oh, that looks great.
Yeah.
That really looks good. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Look at that. I would have done this 10 years ago with you, but that's in the past. We got her done today, and that's the important thing. My wife, my children, my older children, they're all gone from my home. They are now sitting with my wife at home waiting for me to return so they can see what kind of work got done here. This is going to be fantastic. I've got about 30 people or so that are all waiting to see these results as soon as I can get out of here. I mean, it's exciting. I mean, I feel like, a movie star. What's my confidence level? Yeah, it shot from about a 40% to about 110. I mean, now I can go and talk to somebody and smile and not be toothless. Okay, that really hurt my image and professionally, and I just couldn't tolerate it anymore. It had to change or I was going to have to get out of business. And that's a life-changing situation.
This is the most complex and actually difficult dentistry imaginable, but it's wonderful and it's rewarding and it changes people's lives. I'm here to guide you through the journey of it, that 4 to 9 months, to make sure that you're listened to, that you know what's happening, that you know all the steps, because it is a journey.